y is equal to the cos inverse of x, then dy on the x is equal to, we take solution, y is equal to the cos inverse of x, then if we take cos at the left hand side and at the right hand side, this will give us cos y to be equal to x. Cos of the cos inverse of x gives x. Next, then we have to differentiate the left hand side and the right hand side with respect to x. Differentiating cos y, it gives us negative sine y dy on dx is equal to, differentiating x with respect to x gives us 1. For us to get dy on dx, we are going to divide both sides by negative sine y. Then dy on dx will be equal to 1 all over negative sine y. 1 all over negative sine y is the same as negative 1 all over sine y. Cos y is equal to x, which can be expressed as x all over 1. X all over 1 remains x. This is simply the same as, we know the cos of an acute angle is given by the adjacent all over the hypotenuse. We are going to represent cos y equal to x over 1 on a right angle triangle so that we can be able to find sine y. This is our right angle triangle. Let's take this acute angle to be the angle y. This is the adjacent, this is the hypotenuse, and this is the opposite side. Cos is given by the adjacent all over the hypotenuse. The adjacent is simply x. The hypotenuse is 1. The opposite side we don't know. We are going to let the opposite side to be s. By making use of Pythagoras theorem, we are going to find s by using Pythagoras theorem. We can find s. That is, Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of the base plus the square of the height for any right angle triangle. This will give us 1 squared to be equal to x squared plus s squared. 1 squared gives us 1. That is 1 times 1 remains 1 is equal to x squared plus s squared. Next step, we are going to transfer x squared to the left hand side. And this will give us 1 minus x squared is equal to s squared. Then s will simply be equal to the square root of 1 minus x squared. We are going to replace s with the square root of 1 minus x squared. Knowing the opposite, we can write down the sine of the angle y. The sine of the angle y will simply be equal to, it is given by the opposite all over the hypotenuse. So this will give us the square root of 1 minus x squared all over the hypotenuse, which is 1, and this is simply equal to square root of 1 minus x squared. Our dy on dx will simply be equal to, we are going to replace sine y at the denominator with the square root of 1 minus x squared. This will give us dy over dx to be equal to negative 1 all over the square root of 1 minus x squared. Then we conclude, therefore, comma, for y equal to the cos inverse of x, then dy over dx is equal to negative 1 all over the square root of 1 minus x squared. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any worries or any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.